Hello friend, welcome to our blog channel. So how are you all? I hope you are fine and healthy and going in the way of success. Please try and support me. As you can see, I had come in this blog after 1 month because there was our exam, and now I have come to show you our state flower, which name is Plash flower, as you know, of Jharkhand. You can see it is our state flower, Plash, and you can see it is a forest area because we are a village people and we are connected with nature. And you can see it is looking like I told you that we are connected with nature. And as you can see, I told you that this is the state flower of Jharkhand, and we village people and student or with child are enjoying to drink this sweet water of this flower. And many of bird and butterfly also taking this sweet water, and we are making their beehive, and butterfly also enjoying this sweet fire embers. And it is autumn season, as you know, so the leaf of tree are fallen down and it is not looking very green. So then also you can see it is looking very beautiful, and that is my friend, as you can see. Do you see this flower? And this is, if you will drink this flower sweet, it is like orange color. So now sun is setting, that's why camera is not clear out and it is looking blurred. So I hope you will like my video and will support me, because I am coming after 1 month because of my examination. So please support me, and we will make video and shoot video, and we will always be in YouTube channel. Now, so bye. So that much only today is. So I hope you will be always healthy and strong, because health is very useful for success. So I advise you, please always be healthy, because health is very necessary for success. And I am also trying to be success in YouTube. Okay, please, I hope you will support me, and bye.